Good morning. Well, almost lunchtime now, so this is more brunch. And I am currently sick at the moment, so Alexis did some cooking. She made some rolls of pasta. And we also have here some patties from the patty wagon, which I popped into the oven, and I sorry Christian, kind of burnt a little bit. But yeah, that is our brunch this morning. This is so good. Yum. And the pasta's not too bad. Just kidding, it's actually really good. Thanks, Alex.
And you just add your ingredients. So it's actually paid per like gram, and then later they're gonna put the noodles to your choice, and then they'll cook it up for you. So there's a lot of meatball options and meat and some veggies.
Medyo mabigat ata. It doesn't even have anything in it. You got like one bowl each.
It's like the balls. So this is Ati's soup. She got the egg noodles, some quails, the fish and beef balls, rice, and a crab stick. Looks yummy. So parang isang broth lang dito, because I went to another one where you can choose, but this one looks nice. Kain na.
Made an apple crumble for dessert. Yum! Can't wait to eat it. Just fresh out of the oven. Let it cool down for a bit, and we're gonna have this dessert with some vanilla ice cream. Alex is currently editing our vlog to come up soon.
Yes. Another week in our life. And I'm waiting for this apple crumble. I'm excited. It's my first time to try, but I heard it's good. This apple crumble, yum! Already smells so good. Looks delicious with some ice cream. Perfect for the weather today. Cold weather, but this is perfect. Thanks, Ate.
Going to get some cinnamon rolls. This place does the best cinnamon rolls. Usually they're really busy in the mornings or just before lunch, but it's pretty quiet right now. And I'm excited to get some cinnamon rolls. I'm so excited for my cinnamon roll. I might drop it. Thank you. Bobby. And this is a little cake shop, so if you want to order some cakes and stuff, you can go here. Le Bon Cakes. They're really good. We've ordered a cheesecake there before. I'm so excited to eat these. These are the cinnamon rolls that I keep talking about. They are so good. And this is a new place. They do have one in like the other areas. It's pretty popular, but they just opened up a shop in Gungahlin, and I'm so excited to try these. So we've got some croissant for Avery. We've also got vanilla slice. I'll show you guys. Wait, got a Nutella Danish for Marcus. This one's Alexa's vanilla slice. I've got a plain croissant for Avery. That's for her when she wakes up. And here we have our pastries, which we got some sausage rolls and meat pies. And these are the sausage rolls. So that one's for Mark and Alexis, and this one's mine, which is a potato beef pie, my fave. Yeah. I am going to make a chicken curry for dinner tonight, and I'm just spraying this with some oil. And I am going to shove this in the toaster. My favorite thing to use, a bit dirty now, but it's my Breville air fryer mini toaster kind of thing. And I'm just gonna bake this. Actually, no, air fry it. Air fry it for around that much. That will do, and press start. Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
She's so cute.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Avery's having mini vegetable pizzas for lunch, and she's just waving it around. And she has some vanilla yogurt with strawberries. And this is her mini pizzas that have zucchini and carrots on top, as well as mozzarella cheese. And do you like it, Baba? Really yummy. She also got this new plate. It was gifted to her by the brand Bo Baby. Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. But yeah, she got gifted this plate. It's a kangaroo plate. It's very cute in the color green because I chose green because she already has all the other colors. But yeah, yummy, Baba. You like your lunch? Yeah. Oh, are you waving it around? Are you eating now? Avery, eat. And we have Alexis over here holding the spoon. Who's sick at the moment? Avery's spoon. Yeah.
Here, Avery. Where are you, Baba? Swing, swing with mommy. Swing, swing with mommy.
There's no baby swing here.
Yeah, we came thinking there was the baby one, but there's not. So we're just holding Avery.
Diggity, diggity, dig, 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 diggity, diggity, dig, 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 diggity, dig, dig, dig.
Baba. Are you trying to practice your walking?
Avery, where are you off to? We're going to DFO. We're going to try to look for an outfit for you. Huh, Baba? You know, Alex is there at the front and she's driving up there.
So we're not here at Commerce Center, just having a browse. There's a bit of sale, so there's a lot of people. So yeah, come shop with me.
And of course, Alexis just goes straight to the clearance, which is at the back. Guys, if you ever want to go to clearance, you got the back. And they got a lot of really cheap shoes here. If you can find a size like these ones, are pretty cool. This is cute, Lex. Pinko, your favorite. Oh, this is colors pink. Now only 35 bucks. Oh, here, look. You want pink? It's super pink. I have this. This is really comfy.
Oh yes, I have that.
No, you don't. Me and Tracy have it. You
I
don't
got
have
mine
it.
in pink. You bought it for me.
Oh, I did. Okay.
Please visit the Department
So
of
mag-live
Health
selling
for
po kami. Mga buong backpack, 10,000, 2,000.
appreciate
Pamay na lang po sa
cooperation during this time.
We just got back from the markets and we bought ourselves some crab. We got some mud crab here and I also got some ginger. I've got some garlic, coriander, chili and shallots and I'm planning to make like maybe a chili crab or something. And yeah, let's open this up.
So there's our crabs. And yeah, this actually looks really scary. This one's like kind of blinking at us still, but yeah. So we're making a paste now. They had to use some chilies. Two chilies.
2 chilies. The whole lot of the ginger that I showed earlier on.
The whole ginger and the onion and garlic.
A lot of garlic. Probably like
garlic.
about 8 cloves.
8 cloves of garlic.
And we're going to be making a paste. So this is going to be the chili paste. And I'm using Avery's blender. Sorry, Aves.
just added some butter, shallots, and the egg. And yeah, it's gonna thicken up eventually, and this will be really good as a topper sauce for your crab. This is the crab, and I'm just gonna add the sauce. Oh yeah.
And a crab leg.
Crab leg.
Gonna go eat some crab now. I got gloves on because I'm gonna go in my nails.
Yes, and we're gonna eat. Smells good.
Yeah.
I can really tell it's
Go.
gonna taste.
Tell me how it goes, Alexis. First taste. Bob, eat that.
Wow, look at this. This is huge.
Show off myself around actually.
Look at that, that's huge, guys. That's our mukbang.
Bring a mukbang.
Can I get a spoon for the sauce?
Yum. See, the reason I like mud crab, you actually can eat the meat. You know what I mean? Like, swimmer kasi hirap kain eh. Yun nga lang. Mahal ng crab.
Very fresh.
Fresh no?
I haven't got my nails too. But
So, it's really good. Usually we do like shrimp boil. Kaya lang ngayon, since we splurged a bit on the crab. Crab lang. Pati yung parang focus natin. Hey guys, it's currently Sunday and we're having an Uber Eats Sunday. We just had, what did we have?
tacos.
We had tacos and Alex.
Guzman, the Gomez.
Yes.
Something like that.
Guzman and Gomez. It's Guzman and Gomez tacos. They have $3 tacos, so we ordered that and free delivery. And Alexis just ordered us some gongcha. And someone's annoyed because they want to get out of their playpen. You tell them. So we are spending our Sunday on the couch watching watching TV. What are you watching, guys? Oh, we're watching Wish Dragon on Netflix. Us three are watching and Avery doesn't like it. And we're coming in for our third order of the day, which is some McDonald's.
Filipina.
Oh, really?
We have chicken nuggets. So I think we're gonna try the BTS sauce. We didn't get the meal because, you know, works out the same. So we got the sweet chili
Cajun.
and the Cajun. So they say have it individually or you dip them together.
It tastes like my honey mustard sauce.
Yeah, like that. And the Cajun. Oh no, that's the sweet chili.
What do you get?
Parang you have it together or you dip it.
Yeah, so this one's nice. It tastes like my honey mustard sauce.
The other one's nice, hey.
I'll put this together. Yum.
Yeah, so these are the sauces that BTS picked out. Sarah here.
Hey guys, we are now going to be most likely ending this vlog, aren't we?
Thanks for joining again on our video. I think it's our third episode or fourth episode of A Week in Our Lives.
Yeah.
So if you do like this series, keep on watching and don't forget to
Okay.
okay, Mama. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Avery, say bye.
Say bye.
Can you say bye?
Bye. Hey.
No more.
Avery.
Avery.